And now we've come to Mikko Järviläto, which is from UltraHack, and he is going to tell us all about the UltraHack and the connection with Startup Iceland on the hackathon that was launched yesterday at a brew factory. So, Mikko, where are you? Sorry, hindsight and all, yeah. Maybe it
Hiding
just,
here.
maybe it was just me drinking yesterday. Sorry about that. Nope, the floor is all yours, sir. Fourth stage.
Floor or stage.
Is it burning all we call the sky? Under which
All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Mikko Järviläto, and I'm from the UltraHack, which is actually happening this year as well as it happened last year, as you can saw from that video. And if you want to go to YouTube, we have their brand new video about the 2016 as well. I'm really sorry about that. It didn't meant to happen. So 2016 is open, and that's what I'm gonna tell right here. So perhaps we can have the presentation, hopefully. Yeah, this looks more like it. So yeah. First of all, I'd like to, because I'm like your pain at this moment, keeping you away from duties after this event. So I'd like to do a little exercise. So how many of you, can you raise your hand, how many of you think you are a software developer? All right. So how many of you think you are a designer, some sort of? All right. So how many of you think you are a business developer, business person? All right, cool. So almost 1/3 of everything. And how many didn't fit to any of those three categories? Few. All right. Actually, you are just the perfect crowd for the UltraHack. We just love both software developers, we love designers, and we love business people, because you can create the change that we are after. So what is UltraHack? I'm going to tell you very shortly what is it about and why it's of importance of you. And I'm going to give a little bit reward with our local UltraHack organizer here. So UltraHack, as you heard about the accelerators here, it's not an accelerator, nor it's a hackathon as it's, nor it's no pitching contest. And it's not a procurement process for software development projects, but it can be all of them combined. I'll just leave you about that. And I like the glasses with the gentleman over there. Yeah, pretty nice. This is UltraHack in figures. We are not about figures, although we want to double those figures. We are about quality. So we are about talent. We want to have top 100 teams to compete in the UltraHack finals in Helsinki in November this year, 2016. And we are aiming to get around well, double everything, like prices as well. So there will be investment prices and there will be prices with no strings attached. So you can get best of the both worlds if you will. And we will also give a specific challenge tailored prices. Last year we had 45 different price categories. We raised almost 500,000 euros from scratch. So we are startup as well, but we have a good sales guys. So this is our challenge portfolio and tech portfolio this year. So UltraHack is mostly about bringing epic challenges and cool new tech to you to play with and experiment. Whether it's the startup project or your current startup that you are working with, or it's a side project that you would like to do and finish. So we will give support for you to do that. And free tech. So basically, what is available hardware APIs, SDKs, what we give, it's free during the use during the UltraHack period. And as a bonus, we will have a drone races there. If you are interested of speed and tech and VR, we got that. And if you want to talk later, we have a drone master over there called Mark Ryan. And you can ask more questions about drone racing from Mark. So this is our schedule this year. We, as you see, we are starting here from the Iceland, which is kind of cool. I think this is the coolest country in the Europe. Don't you think? Yeah, I think so too. And unfortunately, I have to go back to Helsinki, so we will have there a little bit bigger launch in Finland. But it's not still the same as it is here. We will tell some more about the challenges. Today I'm gonna show the FinTech challenge that we have, but we will open our rest of the challenges before September. So you can check that everything from ultrahack.org. We open the next this year's website this week actually, so in Helsinki. So you can take part of any of these pre-events, but mostly come to finals, and you can just work on our online platform before that. That will open in August. So you can actually put your idea, you put your project plan, actually you can even integrate with the GitHub if you have a source code that you would like to be worked with and help with, you can use that. And you can also use that for recruiting and matchmaking and stuff like that, so you can tap into our community. And now, important thing, what can we do here in Iceland? Right now, we can give you travel grants, and as we heard, there's a travel Arion Bank hackathon coming up. So the winner of that hackathon will be receiving €1,000 travel grant, including travel, accommodation, and slush tickets. And also, we have scanned few of the startups that are already presented here, and we will give away a travel grant to one of the most promising startups we find here in Reykjavik that we would like to invite and get to the finals as well. But if you happen to have any project that's related to any of those technology domains, please subscribe to our newsletter and you'll directly get to register when it opens. Okay, FinTech challenge is like this. So if you have I know some of the startups already work in a region of AI. So if you want to enhance the banking experience, banking transaction experience with AI, or using new kinds of way to do financial assistance or evaluation of non-monetary assets, or you come up with a fintech robot or drone, or want to do payment transactions with VR, then this is your field of play. There's lots of text. I don't want to go there, but I'm just saying that UltraHack, some of the partners say it's a super hack. So if you don't know what the hackathon is, join UltraHack and then you surely know what hackathons are all about. And we will now go to awarding winner of UltraHack Travel Grant. Please join me on stage, Torun Jonsdottir. We have a little? All right.
Should I announce?
Yeah, you can do the.
Okay. So the winner of the travel grant, who gets travel money to go to Helsinki in November, accommodation and slush tickets, are Crankwheel.
What we really liked about the Crankwheels idea is that you had pretty solid, what we learned, you had a congratulations, congrats. We really liked that you were really focused on what you do and you did it clearly. It was clear to everybody that what you were after, and yeah, so good. Thank you. See you in UltraHack, hopefully. All right. And yes, that's it. Basically, that was my. We can still. I'll just say that. Just register to ultrahack.org, and you will get tapped to the online community, and you can get. Then access to the resources we will have, either they are technology or persons or mentors or other startups or whatever you are wishing for. So that's it.